is healing in your name, to heal the sick, the blind, the lame. You were calling out to everyone who sings of your glory, might, and fame. You will always be the same. You were searching out for every soul who brings their own, with a broken heart, a fall, with a brand new start. Will be your sons and your daughters. So just breathe, you're healing like rain. There is power in your blood to wash away our past like a flood. You are reaching out to everyone who sings for your hope and joy and love. You are powerful above. You are listening for every voice who gives their own, with a broken heart, a fall, with a brand new start. Will be your sons and your daughters. So just breathe, you're healing like rain. So heal our hearts, heal our land. Hear our cries avail as we wait upon you. So bring your peace, bring your love and grace. Let it fall all over heaven and earth. Let it fall, let it fall, yeah. Let it fall all over heaven and earth. There's a future in your word to give us strength as lights of this world. You were placing us so all might know